Good morning, students. In previous classes, you have learnt about resource definition, classification, and in this class you will read about resource planning. You have learnt that resource is a required thing for our development, but a lot of problems also generated by the development of resource. Similarly, there is not even distribution, it means equal distribution of resources in all over the country. So there is requirement to balance the region of the nation which are resourceful and which are resourceless. Due to development of resource, there are a lot of problems also created which disturb our life on the earth, and it will also exploit the interest of coming generation. So the use of resource must be in a planned way, so that there may be not any problem which will cause the exploitation of the future interest and degrade the environmental condition, and there must be equal distribution of resources to all stratas or sections of the society. So resource planning is the process to use resource in such a way so that it will not cause any problem and make development to all in such a way that it will not degrade environment and future interest. So this may be the definition of resource planning. So planned way of the use of a resource means resource planning. Now you will read here that what are different factors which is required, which is essential to make a resource plan. The first is availability of resource in a region, second is availability of technology, and third is matching of resource development to the nation's development plan. These are the three factors essential. Otherwise, there may not be the development of resource and their proper use. Now I will explain every three factors. The first is availability of resource in a region. First of all, to develop a resource and to use resource, it is required that in a particular region there may be different things available which must have the potency to develop as a resource. Because if anything which can be resource is not available in a region, we human being make development of resource of what things then. So there must be availability of everything that must have the potency to develop as a resource. Second is availability of technology. You have already learned that human technology, human knowledge, human talents is must for the resource development. Otherwise, having availability of different things in a region which may be developed as a resource cannot take the place, take the position of resource. So, technology must be available. A lot of region, you have learnt in previous classes that a lot of region have different natural things which can be developed as resource, but due to lacking of technology they are not developed as resource. For example, you can take the rivers of Africa, forest of Africa. There are all these resources available in plenty, but due to scientific and technological development they are not developed as a resource, and this South Africa is backward in the development. Third is matching of resource development to the nation's development plan. Every country have their national plan to make development. So if technology is available, if resources are also available in a region, but government plan is not to develop these things as resource, they cannot be resource. So there must be government plan to develop resource in a particular region. Yes, now you will understand here what are the problems caused by resource development. First is the over exploitation of resources. Second is handling of resource by a fistful population, and third is degradation of environment. First is over exploitation of resources. It is human tendency that everything is scattered in a particular region, but when they have knowledge that these things are required for our development and these things can fulfill our interest, then they start store or handle all these things, and it causes over exploitation of resource. Once Gandhiji said that this earth has plenty of every needs, every things for human requirement or human need, but there is not plenty of human's greed. It means this earth has everything in abundance to fulfill our required necessities, but if we start to fulfill our greed, then the every abundance or every plenty on this earth becomes scarce. So the over exploitation of resource is related to the resource development. For example, you can take sand. which are already available in different river banks and its beds. But when people have knowledge that these sands can fulfill our requirement, they started to store these sand gravels, and it caused scarcity. Second is handling of resource by a fistful population. This over exploitation by the human being to fulfill their greed has already divided our society into two special groups. One is of rich, that is called have, and another is poor, that are called have not. So two sections of the society, poor and rich, are already developed in our society. So this poorness and richness are the problems caused by resource development. Third is degradation of environment. When any resource is over-exploited for human greed, it disturbs the balance in the nature and it causes different types of pollution. As there is land pollution, there is air pollution, there is water pollution, there is environmental degradation, land degradation, and all these are due to resource development and overuse and over-exploitation of these resources. So all these problems are related to resource development, and whenever in any region there is development of resource, all these problems also generated. Now we have to read about sustainable development. Sustainable development. If resource development causes all these problems, then there is requirement that we must make a development which may sustain in the coming future. For this, there is requirement that development of resource is done in such a way that it will not cause over exploitation, it will not cause uneven distribution, and it will not cause degradation of environment and exploitation of the interest of coming generation. If all these problems are related to our resource development, then any development may not sustain in the coming future. So nowadays our world has requirement to make sustainable development, means to develop resource in such a way that will not cause the exploitation of the interest of coming generation and degradation of environment. So you have learned all these problems related to resource development. You have also learned about the factors required for resource planning, and in last you have learned about sustainable development. Now in next class I will understand what are the steps taken by the world and world organization to make sustainable development and check all the problems related to resource development. Thank you.